Hello, Mycroft, your new assistant.
Follow these instructions to set up Wi-Fi. Now that you have connected, choose a Wi-Fi network on your mobile device or computer. If you aren't automatically shown this page, open your browser and go to start.mycroft.ai to begin. Hello, I am Mycroft, your new assistant. To assist you, I need to be connected to the internet. You can either plug me in with a network cable or use Wi-Fi. Follow these instructions to set up Wi-Fi. Using your phone or computer,
I'm connected to the internet.
Wi-Fi
You need to
called
be
Mycroft.
activated.
Then
Open your
enter
browser
the
and visit
password
Home.mycroft.ai to register this device.
123456778. Follow the prompt on your mobile device or computer and choose a Wi-Fi network.
Enter
If
the
you
code
don't
K
get
as
a
in
prompt,
kilogram,
open
X
your
as in
browser and
X-ray,
go to
U as in uniform, U as in
start.mycroft.ai.
uniform,
Now
M
that
as
you
in
have
Mike,
connected,
H as in hotel. Now I am ready for use. Try asking me things like, hey Mycroft, what's the weather? Hey Mycroft, tell me about Abraham Lincoln, or hey Mycroft, play the news.
now I am ready for use. Try asking me things like, hey Mycroft, what's the weather? Hey Mycroft, tell me about Abraham Lincoln, or hey Mycroft, play the news.